is our babies. I think the last time I videoed them was probably about 6 weeks ago or so. This is Charlie. He is 6 months old. Currently standing 13 3 hands at 6 months old. Behind him is Thunder. Thunder's 2 years old. I have 5 rides on Thunder now. Going through the trails. I have to get him down to the stream yet. But nice, quiet disposition. Awesome gait on him. Yes, Charlie, I see you. This is Fancy. She was born March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Beside her we have Timber. I believe he was born March the 22nd. We lost Joey. Up behind Fancy, there's Pumpkin. And Joey's hiding behind Thunder. So let me scoot out here. There's little Joey. He was born, I think, April 16th. And here comes, this is Pumpkin. Scratching. Hi. So you see from the last video, everybody was running. And now, you can't keep them off of you. Hi, Joey. You can't eat the camera. Come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Pumpkin, come. Come on, Charlie. Charlie is the friendliest of them all. And all these horses gait. Very, very natural. I need to get them moving. It's kind of hard to do and film them at the same time.